Hey everyone, welcome to Guju Edition. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature text animation in just one click. I've already made a video on signature text animation before, but that process was quite long and time-consuming. So this time, I'm going to share a script called Scribe V 2.0, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it. For the Scribe script, I have a target of 300 likes. Once we complete that, I'll share the script link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, open After Effects, go to File Arrow Scripts, and then click on Scribe V 2.0. After that, follow the same process that I show in the video. All these fonts can be changed according to your preference.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that
Now this is the Scribe installation process.
no, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.